Hey learners, this is Pranshi Verma. Welcome to my channel guys. In today's session we are going to discuss डिप्लोमा स्टूडेंट्स के लिए मैनेजमेंट सब्जेक्ट से मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर. गाइज आपकी रिक्वेस्ट आई थी मेरे पास, मैम प्लीज डिप्लोमा सब्जेक्ट से मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर प्रोवाइड कीजिए. सो गाइज काफ़ी सर्च किया मैंने, आप उसके बाद जो मेरे को रेलेवेंट डेटा मिला वो आज आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ. सो आज हम आज के लेक्चर में देखेंगे चैप्टर 1 से. मीन्स योर चैप्टर 1 इज आई थिंक ओवरव्यू ऑफ बिजनेसेस. एंड आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी सिलेबस में, सो लेट मी नो इन कमेंट सेक्शन प्लीज. And your subject name is management. Okay, now let's proceed. Question number 1 is industrial sector involves option A construction, option B fisheries, option C textile, option D all of the above. Right answer here is option D, all of the above. Okay, industrial sector involves constructions, fisheries and textiles. Okay, so they are all included in it and right answer is option D. Next question. GUT was created in option A 1950, option B 1947, option C 1948, option D 1951. Right answer is option B 1947. Okay, GUT was created in 1947. Option B is right here. Next question. India is awarded a certification of polio-free country by blank space. Option A World Health Organization, option B World Health Center, option C National Health Center, option D none of the above. Right answer is option A World Health Organization and in short में इसको बोला जाता है WHO. India is awarded a certificate of polio free country by WHO. Next question. Type of businesses. Option A services, option B manufacturing, option C trade, option D all of the above. Right answer here is option D, all of the above. Okay, types of businesses are services, manufacturing and trade. Next question. Textile industrial sector involves blank space. Option A petrochemical, option B sericulture, option C tobacco, option D seeds. Right answer here is option B sericulture. Okay, textile industrial sector involves sericulture. Okay, option B is right here. Next question. Indian Central Bank is blank space. Option A Sharmo Vithal Cooperative Bank SBC, option B SBI means State Bank of India, option C Reserve Bank of India RBI, option D Central Bank of India CBI. Right answer here is option C Reserve Bank of India. Okay, Indian Central Bank is RBI. Next question. Top agro industry in India is option A DuPont India, option B Fab India, option C Pidilite, option D none of the above. Right answer here is option A DuPont India. Top agro industry in India is option A DuPont India. Next question. Insurance companies are growing at the annual compound rate of blank space. Option A 100%, option B 30 to 40%, option C 15 to 20%, option D 30%. Right answer here is option C 15 to 20%. Okay, insurance companies are growing at the annual compound rate of 15 to 20%. Next question. Major functions of insurance company blank space. Option A to provide certainty, option B to provide protection, option C shares risk, option D all of the above. Right answer here is option D all of the above. Major functions of insurance companies are to provide certainty and to provide protections and share risk. Next question. Kepler is a option A textile industry, option B process industry, option C IT industry, option D chemical industry. Right answer here is option D, chemical industry. Okay, so Kepler is a chemical industry and make different types of medicines. Okay, Kepler is a chemical industry. Next question. WTO stands for option A World Test Organization, option B World Trade Organization, option C Work Test Organization, option D World Trade Organics. And right answer here is option B, World Trade Organization. Okay, WTO stands for option B, World Trade Organization. Next question. ITO stands for blank space. Option A International Trans Organization, option B International Test Organization, option C Internal Trade Organization, option D International Trade Organization. Okay, and here right answer is option D, International Trade Organization. Okay, ITO stands for option D. Next question. GATT stands for option A Global Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, option B General Aggregation on Tariffs and Trade, option C General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, option D General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. This is tariffs and this is traffics. Okay, so here right answer is option C, GATT stands for General Agreements on Tariffs and Trade. Okay, so right answer is option C. GATT stands for General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. Next question. LPG, option A liquid petroleum gas, option B liberalization, privatization, globalization, option C liberate, private, globalization, option D liberate, private, global. Right answer is option B, liberalization, privatization and globalization. LPG stands for in maintenance subject. Okay, liberalization, privatization and globalization respectively. Okay, next question. India is awarded a certification of polio-free country in option A January 2011, option B January 2009, option C January 2014, option D June 2011. Okay, so right answer here is option A January 2011. Okay, India is awarded a certification of polio-free country is option A January 2011. Next question. ITDC stands for option A Indian Tourist Development Corporation, option B Indian Tourism Development Corporation, option C Indian Tourist Development Cooperative, option D Indian Tourism Data Corporation. Right answer is option B Indian Tourism Development Corporation. Okay, ITDC stands for option B Indian Tourism Development Corporation. Next question. Hospitality industry categories, option A food and beverages, option B accommodations, option C travel and tourism, option D all of the above. Right answer is option D all of the above. Okay, hospitality industry categories food and beverages, accommodations and travel and tourism. Next question. FTA stands for option A financial transfer arrival, option B foreign transfer arrival, option C foreign tourism arrival, option D foreign tourism arrangement. Right answer is option C foreign tourist arrival. FTA stands for foreign tourist arrival. This is very important question. Next question. Service enterprise provides the services that are called as option A intangible goods, option B manufacturing, option C all of the above, option D none of the above. Right answer here is option A intangible goods. Service enterprise provides the services that are called as intangible goods. Okay, and right answer is option A. Next question. Engineering industrial sector not involves option A civil, option B mechanical, option C chemical, option D filament yard. Right answer here is option D filament yard, because civil, mechanical and chemical, they are included in engineering industrial sector. Okay, and engineering industrial sector not involves filament yard. Next question. Business is the process of providing platform to the people to exhibit their blank space and blank space abilities. Okay. Option A technical and economical. Option B thinking and mental. Option C technical and managerial. Option D leadership and vocal. Right answer is option C here, technical and managerial respectively. Business is the process of providing platform to the people to exhibit their technical and managerial abilities. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following is not a broad category of chemical industry? Option A durable products. Option B basic chemical. Option C life sciences. Option D consumer products. Right answer here is option A durable products. Okay, durable products of one of the following is not a broad category of chemical industry. Next question. According to Drucker, the purpose of business is option A to get money, option B to acquire success in market, option C to satisfy customers, option D to create and keep customers. Right answer is option D to create and keep customers. Okay, according to Drucker, the purpose of business is to create and keep customers. Next question. Which one of the following is a fertilizer? Option A nitrogen, option B soda ash, option C chlorine, option D ammonia. Right answer here is option D ammonia. Ammonia is a fertilizer. Next question. Which one of the following categories of chemical industries has the smallest volume? Option A basic chemicals, option B life sciences, option C specialty chemicals, option D consumer products. Okay, and here right answer is option B life sciences. Life sciences categories of chemical industries has smallest volume. Next question. Which one of the following processes is not a part of textile industry? Option A spinning, option B weaving, option C dyeing, option D polishing. And right answer is option D polishing. Polishing processes is not a part of textile industry. Next question. Which one of these is not a relevant factor in process industries? Option A goods, option B ingredients, option C formulas, option D work. Right answer is option A goods. Goods, one of these is not a relevant factor in process industries. Next question. What plays an important role in the Indian textile industry? Option A satin, option B wood, option C cotton, option D machines. Right answer is option C cotton. Cotton plays an important role in the Indian textile industry. Next question. Which of the following can't be used in textile industry? Option A cotton, option B wool, option C jute, option D polythene. Right answer here is option D polythene. Polythene can't be used in textile industry. Next question. What does a business provide to customers in exchange of their money? Option A goods and services, option B profit and services, option C satisfaction and reliability, option D knowledge and happiness. Right answer is option A goods and services. Goods and services a business provide to customer in exchange of their money. Next question. Which one of the following is not a type of business? Option A service, option B manufacturing, option C machining, option D trade. Right answer here is option C, machining. Machining, one of the following, is not a type of business. Next question. Service sector is also known as option A, primary sector, option B, secondary sector, option C, quarterly sector, option D, tertiary sector. Right answer here is option D, tertiary sector. Service sector is also known as option D, tertiary sector. Next question. What is manufacturing? Option A, acquiring customers. Option B, production of merchandise. Option C, gaining profit. Option D, completing demand. Right answer is option B, production of merchandise. Manufacturing is the production of merchandise. Next question. What are the types of trade? Option A, profitable and loss. Option B, singular and plural. Option C, bilaterals and multilaterals. Option D, direct and indirect. Right answer is option C, bilateral and multilateral. Okay, so the type of trades are bilateral and multilateral respectively. Next question. Which one of the largest segment in Indian industry? Option A, textile industry. Option B, banking industry. Option C, chemical industry. Option D, engineering industry. Right answer here is option D, engineering industry. Engineering industry is the largest segment in Indian industry. Okay, now let's wind up the lecture. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.